Hey everybody, real quick, if you want to save money, take care of your car, in emergency situations or put air in your tires, get you one of these. They plug into this is a Bell and Howell. You can get different types. All you do is go ahead and set the pressure you're going to use, and then you just screw the nozzle onto your tire, start her up. You've already preset how much pressure you need in your tires, and it stops at whatever that preset pressure is going to be. And if you don't know, open your driver's side door, and on that side panel, usually there's a sticker. It'll tell you what pressure you need for your tires on your car, and it plugs into the cigarette lighter. So again, basically, plug it into your lighter, check what you're doing, put the nozzle on, preset the pressure you need for your tires. And again, you can find that out by opening your driver's side door and looking at the panel. This thing has a light and flashers, so it's good for emergencies or just maintenance. Save yourself some money. And the different types. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Have a blessed day.